Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating basics and taking immediate action. Check Pastebin's service status and try a different network so you isolate local issues. Once done, open an incognito window and clear your browser cache. This removes stale scripts and cookies that block pages. Next, disable browser extensions, VPN, or proxies because they often inject headers or block requests. If that works, you've ruled out client-side problems. If not, make sure to note error messages and status codes before continuing to deeper diagnostics. You now move into more technical checks to find why Pastebin fails for you. Use curl or postman to request a paste and read the HTTP status code and response body. This tells you whether it's a 4xx client error, 5xx server error, or blocked by network equipment. Then verify your account. API key validity, paste size limits, rate limits, and privacy settings can block operations. Also inspect your firewall/router, local hosts file, and DNS resolution. Inconsistent DNS or blocked IP ranges often cause selective failures. You finish by restoring access and preventing recurrence. Rotate or regenerate API keys, sign out and sign back in, and reset passwords if authentication errors persist. Once restored, export or copy critical pastes locally so you're not dependent on one service. If problems remain, gather logs, curl output, browser console, timestamps, and any request ID, and contact Pastebin support. One key troubleshooting tip: flush your DNS cache and confirm system time is accurate. Mismatched clocks or stale DNS often cause TLS or API authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.